Hi everyone, just wanted to take a minute to give a shout out to my sponsors of Pittsburgh Weather Now. Thank you to my sponsors, Chick-Fil-A and Robinson, the sole sponsor of WhiteBoard Weather Daily, the Buell Insurance Agency sponsoring the photo gallery in PittsburghWeatherNow.com with 4 locations in Gibsonia, as well as Warrendale, Butler, and Allison Park. Stockman Lawnscape with your landscaping tips and much more. Moon Golf sponsors the daily, or the weekly, I should say, golfing forecast for the weekend. And our site sponsors, JM General Maintenance, Jim Manning and his crew there doing a great job providing generators. Pasquale's Pizzeria, fast, fresh, and hot to your door with 6 locations in Allison Park, Gibsonia, Penn Hills, Wilmerding, Dravosburg, and Aspinwall. Exceptional Limousine, the name says it all for your limo needs this prom and wedding and graduation season. And Prime Time Metals, located in Dravosburg, the home for your scrap metal. Thank you, one and all, to all of my sponsors, and there's certainly room for you or your business. Just get in touch with us at Pittsburgh Weather Now. Thanks again.